Good morning, students. Grade 8th. Subject General Knowledge. In previous class, what we learned? We learned about the most successful and famous restaurant in the world that provides dinners, unforgettable and memorable dining experience. So, what are the restaurants is famous in the world? So, this restaurant name Bird Nest Restaurant. This restaurant is look like bird nest. This is unique restaurant. It located in Thailand. Here designed zipline to deliver the food. Next, Ice Restaurant. This restaurant is located in Dubai. This restaurant is used to beat hot climate. The owners have used only ice for interiors. This fully made up of ice. This restaurant creates new chill dining experience. What is the name of this restaurant? Yes, this restaurant name is Dinner in the Sky. This is located in Belgium and 150 feet into the air. Which restaurant is located in Philippines? Yes, the La Basin Waterfall restaurant is located in Philippines and right in the middle of small river and waterfall. This restaurant calls for no shoes policy. It has bamboo tables and allows the guest to lean under the rushing water after finishing their barefoot meal. Which restaurant is world first undersea restaurant? Yes, Ita restaurant is a world first undersea restaurant. It is located in Maldives. It provides 270-degree panoramic view of the sea creatures. Next, this is the Parallax restaurant. This restaurant is located in California. It's constructed at the slope side of the Mammoth Mountain. Next, we are going to learn about the topic. It's a mystery. People have different beliefs. Few more will be down to earth. Get ready to test your approach to the top supernatural mysterious location around the world. This is one of the mysterious place of the world. This name Reed Flute Cave. This place also known as Palace of Natural Arts in China. A natural limestone cave with multicolored lighting. It's filled with a large number of stalactites, stalagmites and rock formations. So what is stalactites, stalagmites? Stalactites means it's a type of formation that hangs from the ceiling of caves and man-made structures. So okay, stalagmite means nothing but stalagmite is type of rock formation that rise from the floor of cave due to the accumulation of the material. Next, now we are going to see about the topic mysterious. One of the mysterious places, Moraki Boulders. It's located in New Zealand. This place contains originally formed seafloor sediments with large stones. These actual concretes have been exposed through shoreline erosion from coastal cliffs. Each boulder weighs several tons and 6 feet high. Next, we are going to see about one of the mysterious places, Racetrack Playa, Death Valley. What is racetrack? So, Racetrack Playa is lake bed that is almost perfect flat and almost always dry. It is about 4 kilometers long. It's located in a remote valley between the Cottonwood and Lost Chance Ranges, California. This place has a spectacular beauty and mystery. Next, we are going to learn about one of the mysterious places of the world, Jiangxi Dangxia landform. This landform formed over 6 million years ago. This landform area is known as the Eye Candy of Jiangxi. This is multicolored sandstone hills and mountains. The artist on imaginative oil painting. This landscape in China has lots of red cliffs. Sometimes the multicolor ridges stretch to the horizon. This is one of the colorful mountain in the world. This mysterious place name is Skefta Fell. This is one of the national park in Ireland, which contains the most precious natural pearls of the country. The rugged landscape and mountains and glaciers, the flora and the fauna have a magnetic influence on the visitors. The ice caves here are only found in winters when the glacier river redirects and the water freezes. Next we are going to learn about one of the mysterious places of the world, Bermuda Triangle. This is known as Devil's Triangle and is located in North Atlantic Ocean, where a number of airplanes and ships have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. So we learn many mysterious places. So what are they? First one, Reed Flute Cave, Moraki Boulders, Racetrack Playa Death Valley, and Jungsi. Next, Bermuda Triangle, Skefta Fell. Do you understand this lesson? Yes, I think you understood about this lesson, and thank you.